Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today we're going to be making coasters. As you can see, some spooky coasters, not necessarily for Halloween. I've had orders for these all throughout the year. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to be using J. Dixon's 4-hour demold resin and black pigment, and I'm going to be using stickers, which I will show you later. Okay, resin's mixed up. I didn't measure it, I'm very sorry, but I'm just going to be putting a thin layer in the coasters, and we're going to be using black pigment. It's disgusting jar. That's why there's a baby wipe round it, because I don't know what I do. Even though I put it on tight, it just leaks. It's a good pigment though. I got this from Resin Supplies on Facebook. Right, give it a good stir. We're going to make it black. Don't need a great lot. There's not a great lot of resin. Right, that should be enough. Look at my fingers. No matter how many times I've cleaned it, it's like that. Right, let's mix that in. Make it nice and black. Get round them sides. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all right. Pretty miserable here where I am in the UK. Weather's shocking. Hence, I've got my heat mat on. And it's on top of my levelling table, so hopefully we'll have everything at an even keel. I think that's it. Right, let's bring our coasters in. And I'm just going to put down, I'm not going to fill the moulds up. Oops. There we go. A bit more in this one. Let's give it a hand up to them edges. Now we'll be doing these coasters the wrong way up, so this will be the front. There we go. Okay, I'm going to hit them with my heat gun, pop all them pesky bubbles, and because it's a 4-hour demold and it's on a heat mat, I've got to say only on low, it shouldn't take too long, but I will be back with you once they've cured. Right, I'm back. It's been a couple of hours. They're just cured enough now. They're still ever so slightly soft, and what I'm going to do is, I've got these stickers. I bought them about 2 years ago, and I bought absolutely loads of them because I liked them so much. I'm going to be using the large skull and the large spider. I'm going to try and get it central and stick it down. I'm going to have to go all the way around the edge and make sure that it's stuck properly, because I've done one of these before, and when you put the top coat of resin on, if there's anywhere that's not stuck completely, the resin goes under, you get 1,000 bubbles, you end up sanding and putting another top coat on. It's a whole thing. Yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. Okie dokie, resin all mixed up. Same again, 4-hour demold. And I've mixed up 200 mils, which I think is a bit too much, but we will give it a go. Oh, I wanted to spray some alcohol. Right, I'm just going to spray some alcohol before because I've incorporated a lot of bullet bullets. Bubbles into this resin. Hey, bullets. That's a good idea though, isn't it? Bullets in a coaster. Right, it is on my levelling table. I'm not going to switch my heat mat on this time though. I'm just going to allow it to do its own thing. Right, I'll just get it covered. I'll spray it with alcohol because I want to fill it, I want to dome it so that I don't have much trimming to do because I'm lazy. No, because it's a pain in the bum, as we all know as crafters. Right. So I'm hoping to get a nice dome. It's on a levelling table and it's still not level. What's going on? Right, time for demold. Let's get these bad boys out. I've got to say, oh, a bit of a soft spot there. That's strange. I've got to say, didn't dome them as much as I was hoping. So there might still be a bit of trimming up to do. I don't know what happened there. A bit of a soft spot. I'll try and sort that out with my heat gun later, make it a bit smoother. If I just pass my heat gun over it, it'll hopefully be alright. Well, this one's not like that. Yeah, definitely a bit of trim up on that one. Yeah. They're nice though, aren't they? Right. I'm going to let them firm up a bit more, especially that one with the soft bits there. That soft bit. I'm going to use my deburring tool and go around, file a bit, I think. And then we'll be back for the last bit. Okay, I'm back. I've decided to top coat them. I can't say I particularly love top coating, but I've trimmed them off and they're still a bit icky. So I've got my resin mixed up. I'm using Demolding epoxy resin only because I only had a bit of that one left. Just enough to top coat these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on fast forward and I'm going to top coat them and I'll be back when they're all cured. Right, they're cured now. They're still sort of not soft, they are cured, but if you put your finger on them, they will leave some kind of indentation. As you, I don't know if you can see, I've done it there. But I've done a top coat. Nice and glossy. Sun's coming through the windows. Absolutely beautiful. I've always liked these. They've been really good sellers on the craft fair at this time of year. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the sides with the silver one of my chrome markers, and I'll show you that in the photos at the end. Yeah, if you're going to be using coasters, I'd leave it a couple of weeks before you actually put something hot on them, although I'm pretty sure Demolding resin is quite a decent heat temperature. You know, but I would leave them a couple of weeks. Spooky spider. Quite thick coasters as well. Anyway, I hope you've liked this. I've enjoyed making them, and I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave you some photos at the end. Hopefully get a really good shot of them, because they are pretty and spooky. If you did like it, can you give me a thumbs up? That would be greatly appreciated. And subscribe if you haven't, although that is up to you. All right, bye for now. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.